The OCC Journals list is a searchable listing of all of the journals available through OCC libraries in print and online in full text. From the home page, click Find Articles, then select OCC Journals List. The first screen you will see is the A to Z list of all of our print and online full-text journals, including a basic search box and alphabetical navigation links. The Search for Titles tab takes you to an advanced search screen which gives you options to search by publisher, ISSN, or subject. The Browse Titles by Subject tab lets you view all titles categorized by their subject area. So, for example, if you want to see all of the journals available under Education, you could choose it from the drop-down menu, where the broad subject heading category will be broken down into smaller subject headings. So if you want to view the journals available under the subheading Teaching, Principles and Practice, just click that link to list them alphabetically.